There will be times na you will feel na parang, "Shucks, wala akong ambag." I thought after graduating, I would set myself up for pahinga. Pero in reality, after that duration na nagpapahinga ka, there will be times na you will feel na parang, "Shucks, wala akong ambag." Dapat maging contributor ka ng source of funds. Kasi tapos na yung graduation ko, tapos ng mag-sacrifice ng parents ko for tuition fees or allowance. So, there will be a shift of thoughts during that time. I don't want this message to be discouraging. Siyempre, as a student naman talaga, after college, no, parang mapapagod ka talaga kasi after yan ng graduation, ng thesis. So yes, take your time to rest. Pero forgive yourself. Don't
Love it.
pressure yourself when you're in that position. Kasi I know there will be people behind our back, no? Like our parents.